Annyeonghaseyo, Christina. Okay, Christina, today you receive 1 rice, 1 tray of eggs, 1 set of cans, and 1 box of ramyun, and also 1,000 pesos from Malda Lisanim.
Malda Lisanim, 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요. SJ님 감사합니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. Thank you for Mang Inasal SJ님. 감사합니다. 잘 먹겠습니다.
Everyone, so it's your birthday in our neighborhood, so it is so noisy. Okay, so here is the takeout from the Mang Inasal. Okay, Mang Inasal mukbang for my family. Okay, and that is from Yong Taknim.
Mactan Great Channel, annyeonghaseyo. Thank you for supporting my school needs. Mactan Great Channel, 감사합니다. Bye-bye.
Good morning, Precious.
Good morning, Teacher Nisan.
Alright, so are you done with multiplication? Alright, let me see. Iha pa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
Alright, so for you to pass and for you to be able to rejoin again in my class, I need to ask you 5 questions. 5 times 3.
15,
4 times 8.
32,
6 times 7.
42,
8 times 7.
56,
6 times 6.
36.
Alright, so you'll pass. Goodbye for now, Precious.
Goodbye, Teacher Nisan.
Morning, Neil.
Good morning, Teacher Nisan.
So you're done?
Yes.
Alright, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
So for you to raise your hand in my class, I need to ask you 5 questions. 4 times 4.
16,
4 times 8.
32,
6 times 6.
36,
8 times 7.
63,
9 times 6.
50, 54,
7 times 6.
42,
9 times 9.
81,
6 times 7.
42,
8 times 7.
56,
3 times 3.
9.
Alright. Goodbye for now, Neil.
Goodbye, Teacher Nisan.